In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to equip title in Attack on Titan Revolution. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can browse through all of the titles available in Attack on Titan Revolution, how you can claim rewards, and how to equip them. So all that you have to do is go over to the main menu here and click on this little star icon at the top right corner of the screen. So before starting a mission, click on the star icon that you see over here. When you click this icon, you will be able to browse through various categories of achievements that you have completed, and when you choose any of these categories, you will be able to find achievements that you might have completed 100%. So you can see your progress here. For example, I am 22.5% done with this achievement. Regardless, all that you have to do is claim any of the achievements that you see. You will earn rewards, and then you can equip the title. So click on equip and you will see it here, equip title. Now when you go inside of the game or when you interact with other players, they will be able to see the title that you have equipped, and this is all you have to do. You will be able to earn various different titles, so you can go over to achievements and see all of the titles available in Attack on Titan Revolution, and whenever you see one that you like, you just have to go ahead and collect it. So complete the objective and you will be able to get it equipped. Like I said, you will also earn gems that you can use for various different things inside of the game, and you can compare all of the achievements here. So they have a lot of cool ones, with the coolest ones locked behind gold trophies. So usually those are going to be incredibly difficult, but if you are able to get those done, you will earn a lot of gems alongside the title that you can see over here. So cool ones like Apex, Omnipotent, and so on. Get any of these that you like, you will be able to get them equipped, and you can use them on any mission, any raid, any lobby that you join. I hope I was able to help you on how to equip titles in Attack on Titan Revolution. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.